For this we need 4 eggs, 1 green chili, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, quarter teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 medium onion, 1 tomato, oil, and now we can start how to make it. Okay, now we can take approximately 4 tablespoons of oil and we can put onion in it. We need to fry onion in oil. When it will be little brown, then we will add other ingredients. It will take approximately 5 to 6 minutes to turn it brown. Now you can see it turning little bit brown. On this point we can put green chilies in it. And now we can put tomatoes in it. And now we can put salt, red chilies, and turmeric powder. Now we can beat 4 eggs and put it in. And we can mix it with onion and everything. It is just desi version of scrambled egg. it is ready now. We can serve it with roti, and I will show you in a bit.